have the numbers, but it is a continuing activity that when we find employers, again, our employers are our partners, but if they have not performed the responsibility, then we are compelled to visit them and to enforce the Pag-ibig Fund law upon them.
Yeah, I understand kung wala tayong numbers, but meron na ba ng penalized dito sa based on
Yeah, I'm servicing marketing. So we do, no, especially when we look at the collection of the employers or even those who are filing complaints.
Yes.
Once we find out na hindi sila nagbabayad, we send them demand letters. No? And then we are also imposing penalties, no, on payment of the monthly
But daghan
savings.
ba mo nag-receive ng complaints sa anak?
We have received complaints, no, and we have acted upon it, and then of course many of the employers are cooperating naman, no. In fact, when I was during my marketing, we even filed cases and to those employers that were not paying some, as mentioned by provisions na tayo.
Okay, so no more questions from the floor. So at this point in time.